In this final module, we will learn how to publish your ASP.NET Web Forms project so users can access it through the internet or a local network. Before publishing, always clean and build your project. Test your database connection and make sure unnecessary files are removed to reduce errors. Visual Studio's Publish Wizard simplifies deployment. You can publish directly to a folder, an IIS server, or an FTP host. To test your site locally, use IIS Manager. Create a new website, set the published folder path, and browse it on localhost. Make sure your hosted project points to the correct SQL Server database by updating the connection string in web.config. To make your site professional, connect it to your custom domain and enable SSL for security. After hosting, test all features, forms, reports, and database connections to ensure everything works in the live environment. Common issues include wrong database credentials, missing DLLs, or incorrect folder path. Always republish carefully if you encounter such errors. To make your site live, publish using FTP or web deploy credentials from your hosting provider. Congratulations, you have completed your ASP.NET Web Forms course. You now have the skills to develop, connect, and deploy real-world applications online. If you enjoyed this course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore my next series, ASP.NET Core for Beginners to Advanced Developers. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find these lessons helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. You can also explore more tutorials on my channel ASP NET SQL Academy.